in London, London, UK, Harley streets, which is a medical kind of district, but also where you can do a lot of shopping and everything like that. And what we're doing today is we are going to perform nail surgery on this patient. We're going to test the nail panel, so we're going to save some of the nails for later. Testing. So I'll just put that on the side here. So what we have is a very discolored and distorted nail. What we medically call ramshorn nail or onychomycosis. Maybe double check on that. Actually, I think it is. I feel like that was ingrown toenails. Anyways, but ramshorn nails, and what we can see is there's a lot of deformity, lots of deformities in the nail roots. There's toenails all over the place, so just cover that. And so what we're going to do is just loosen it up. We have performed a local anesthetic, and right now I'm just using a black spile to go all the way underneath. You can see, just to loosen everything up, because initially if you loosen everything up, it's just easier to remove it. And what I'm going to do is just use this, and hopefully it can pop out in one go. It's very easy to remove. And what can we see there is that there is some green tinge there. So you So why there is a cut here is where the nail's cutting into the skin of the top there. As the nail kind of curves inwards. Kind of like an indent in a way, but hopefully what will happen is that indent will even out because there's no more nail there. But I think that's a good job that I've done. So this is the nail. And you can see how 3D it is. It's quite thick. See. Yeah, excellent.